ba na idea?
Iba kayo makakain? Sige, ulo na ako ah.
Let's go! Kuya! Kuya, let's go!
Hindi ako pwede sumama sa inyo siya. Saan ako yun?
Basta!
Hindi! Kailangan ko
Basta! Diyan ka na lang!
Saan na kayo pupunta? Di nga ako pwede sumama sa inyo eh. Kakailanganin ako ni Femi sa teatro. Walang mag-aasal sa kanya doon. Ano ba, nakikinig ba kayo? Shami!
7 years since me in heaven.
Wow! Ganda-ganda naman dito. Kaya mahal si Marie.
Okay, se nos fue next. Woo!
Anong tinitingin-tingin mo dyan? Hindi.
Bakit? Mamata naman ako. Pwede ko naman sa kanya.
Pilosofo.
Ba't ba init-init ang naman sa akin?
Kailangan ka ba talaga sa tingin ka naman? Hindi pa ba halata? Nabibwisit ako sa'yo, no? O ano? Nasagot na ba tanong mo? Na nakakatawa ka sa sinabi ko? O nag-iinis ka lang talaga?
Alam mo ba na tawa ko sa'yo? Masarap kasi ang sarili.
Eh, kung sipain kaya kita dyan. Ano? Ano ba talagang problema mo? Nakakainis ka na, ha?
Ang ganda-ganda ng kanila.
Oo nga na. Ganda lugar. Ganda dito, sobra.
O anak, akala ko ba magkasama kayo ni Chami at ni Mar?
I've been calling them kanina pa, Dad, but they're not answering. Maybe next time.
Okay.
Teka mo, kanina pa tayo nag-usap ito, hindi ko pala mga... Ay, bakit?
Mali.
Mali?
Hello? Bakit?
Wala. Quite yung familiar.
Kuya Matt, Ate Maris, kakain na! Sige.
O anak, butit gising ka na. Halika, sabayan mo ko.
Si Chami po.
Pumunta ng school. May gagawin daw project.
Ganun po ba?
May gagawin ka ba ngayon, anak?
Meron po.
Ang balakad mo.
May interview po ako for a magazine.
I was just thinking if you wanna join us this trip going south.
Ganun po ba? Sorry, Dad, pero talagang whole day ang event ko ngayon.
I understand.
Thanks, Dad.
Good evening po, Tito. Si Fen po.
Si Ken, hintayin mo na lang yun. Bababa na yun. Opo ka mo.
Yaya yung bag. Sapatos ko. Yung mga damit ko. Oh, babe, ang aga mo. Have a business talk with Dad?
No, just want to know if wala kang lakad ngayon.
May lakad ako ngayon, babe. Sorry. Hello, Miss Jo. I'm on my way there.
Matthew, wanna join us later?
Saan po?
We'll be having a trip going south. You know, just a trip before I leave for New Jersey.
It will be so good.
So, sasama ka later?
Sige po. Sasama po ako.
Okay, good. I'll see you later.
I'm in. Let's go. By the time you'll hear this, I probably already flew away. Told me I wouldn't fly, but who the hell are you to say that I can grow a pair of wings and do it? I prove my ways and spread them to the sky and try to lead this chicken coop one day. You can leave and try to hate from a glance. Just know that in my life till now, nobody gave me a chance. Misunderstood more than anything. In fact, all my fun fell. Feeling like I'm lifting backpacks full of dumbbells. Stop thinking I'll be off and away. Saying my head's in the clouds, boy, my body's in space. And even if you take these glasses off of my face, I'm still focused on my goal to keep the dominant place. Brain filled with clear statements like you better achieve it. I'm not giving up the only thing I ever believed. And if I'm cocky, I'm hiding the fact that I'm just too prideful. Actually, I'll take it back, I'll be cocky when I decide to. If mama's bending backwards to keep the family active, I'm a blast with rat tactics, so drastic, so sure, relax. In $1 million house that I buy her when I go platinum. Don't believe me now, then believe my future tax bracket bad at this, but I'm zooming up. Too cool for you, but I prove you hussy sissies. I'm a balloon blown up, I don't care about you if I'm rude, so what? It feels good to be more at it with pace. Feeling great, cause I always catch an orgasm of hate. If there's a time and place for fame, then I don't plan to be late. And so my dream, I'll take your nose out of your face. And honestly, I'm really getting so proud of my race. Put an Asian hand in the air, we're no longer at a place. And if they say you can't do it because of your ethnicity, then please turn examples or a reference into me. I'm so convinced that my ass will be next in history. Amir, hit the beat. Go.
Talagang alam mo nung pasikot-sikot dito sa amin, ah.
Aba, oo naman. Sino ba hindi eh? Parang araw-araw na kita hinahatid sa inyo. Oh, natahimik ka.
Ah, wala. Thank you nga pala.
San? Sa paghatid? Eh, wala yun.
Eh,
Hindi, eh, san?
thank you for everything. Sobrang saya ko lang this past few days. Dahil sa'yo. So, thank you.
Hi, babe. Napatawag ka?
Pwede ba tayo mag-usap?
You sound so serious. Is there anything wrong?
I really need to talk to you. I'll meet you at the coffee shop, 3 p.m.
Do we have problems?
No, there's none. Wala naman na yung problema ko.
Well, then can we have something to eat?
No, please, listen. I hope you'll understand.
Well, I just don't. Hindi kita maintindihan. Are you having problems with me?
I'm breaking up with you, then.
What? What did you just say? You're breaking up with me? Bakit? Dahil ba wala akong oras sa'yo? Dahil ba palagi akong nasa trabaho? Dahil ba sa tuwing monthsary natin, wala ako? Ano?
No, no. I understand your work.
It's just what?
I'm sorry, Fran. But this relationship is not working anymore. I'm sorry.
Sino siya? Sino siya? Gusto kong malaman kung sino siya.
You don't need to know about her, Fran.
Gusto kong malaman kung sino siya.
Her name is Maurice.
Maris? Si Maria? Yung best friend ko ba? Wow! Hi, Rai! Hi, Miss Jo! Hi, Direk!
Hi, friend! Friend, nakakaalala mo ba yung lalaki sa laki ko ikinikwento sa'yo? Friend, kami na!
Right na, yourself, traitor. Kapal din ang mukha mo. Nagagawa mo pang umiti? Please, akala ko ba best friend kita?
Oo nga, best friend mo ako, kaibigan mo ako. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Wala ako maintindihan.
Timing lang yun. Kapuyon mo siya.
Kaya si Papa, intindi ko sa'yo.
Go to her.